Good day, everyone. Welcome to Progressive School. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey exploring the composition of blood. It's not just intriguing, but crucial to understanding how our bodies function. Today, we dive into the intriguing world of our blood, an essential life-giving fluid. Blood, the river of life that courses through our veins, is much more than just a red fluid. It's a complex mixture of cells, platelets, and plasma, each with a specific job to do in our bodies. Let's start with the red blood cells, or RBCs for short. These little guys are like the delivery service of the body. They pick up oxygen from our lungs and carry it to all parts of our body. Without them, our organs wouldn't get the oxygen they need to function. Now let's move on to the white blood cells, or WBCs. Think of them as the body's security team. They're always on the lookout for invaders like bacteria and viruses, and when they spot one, they spring into action to defend the body against these infections and diseases. Next up, we have the platelets. These are the body's emergency response team. When we get a cut or a scrape, platelets rush to the scene and help in blood clotting, preventing us from bleeding too much. Finally, we have plasma. This is the liquid part of the blood that carries the cells, platelets, nutrients, hormones, and even waste products. It's like the body's river system, transporting everything to where it needs to go. Each of these components plays a significant part in keeping us healthy and alive. Isn't that fascinating? So now we have a clear picture of what our blood is made up of. Let's take a moment to recap, shall we? Firstly, we talked about red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes. These tiny cells are like the taxis of our bloodstream, always busy carrying oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. They also take away carbon dioxide, a waste product, back to our lungs to be exhaled out. Next, we discussed white blood cells, or leukocytes. These are our body's brave soldiers, always on the lookout for harmful intruders like bacteria and viruses. When they spot any, they spring into action, protecting us from illness. Thirdly, we covered platelets. They're like the handyman of our body, rushing to the scene whenever there's a cut or wound, helping to form clots that stop the bleeding. Lastly, we can't forget about plasma. This yellowish fluid is the river in which all these cells flow. It not only transports the cells, but also carries nutrients, hormones, and waste products around our body. That's it for today's lesson, folks. Remember, every drop of blood in your body is a testament to a miraculous system working to keep you healthy and strong. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.